Hello everyone and welcome to Eleanor's Hearty Home. Today I'm going to show you how to make Lagman, one of the most famous Bukharian soups. For that we will need sweet pepper, carrot, celery, string beans, potato, onions and garlic. Cut it all to medium pieces. I wish it would be that fast. Now we will add the water in a pot, put some salt and oil and leave it to boil. We will use it for our noodles. Next, for our soup we will add oil, and to that we're gonna add the onions and the garlic that we cut, give it a mix and leave it to get cooked a little bit. When the onion looks softened, we're gonna add our spices, salt, pepper and a chicken powder. Next we'll go our meat. This time I use a turkey. We like to use either turkey or a chicken because this way the soup get a little bit more lighter than the traditional way with a meat, but obviously you can use a meat if you desire. We're gonna cook it for a little bit. I add some water so the meat won't stick to the pan. I'm adding 1 spoon of tomato paste, give it a mix. A lot of people have acid reflux from tomato paste, so to avoid it I'm adding 1/4 spoon of sugar to kill the acidity of the tomato. Cook it for a little bit, then we're gonna add our chopped vegetables in, mix it well and give it a short cook so it's get all the flavor of the spices that we put. Then we're gonna add our water. I use a chicken broth that I usually keep in the freezer and use it every time I need. Next I'm adding bay leaf, give it a stir and let it cook with a cover lid for about 30-45 minutes. While our soup getting ready, we're gonna prepare our noodles. I use the fettuccine style. It's easier to mix it with the tongs than with a fork. This way noodles get coated with the water and do not get stick to each other. When it's get a little bit softened but still not ready, I'm turning off the flame and covering the lid and let it sit in the hot water to get cooked. Checking to see if it's ready. If not, I'm gonna leave it for a little bit more to get cooked. Whenever it's already completely cooked, I'm gonna rinse it with cold water to stop the cooking. Now that our noodles are ready and the soup are ready, it's time to serve. It's one of my favorite soups. What's your favorite soup? Please comment your answer so I can try it too. Garnish with some cilantro and it's ready to eat. Such a hearty soup. For more hearty recipes, please like the video and subscribe for my channel. So satisfying. Can't wait to dig in already.